Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see different types of strategies. Core strategies we'll see and the process or procedure of that strategies. So what is this strategies? Marketing management subject, if you want to study well, just to buy this book. Philip Kotler author, Marketing Management. He has given a good definition what is marketing strategy. Philip Kotler has said marketing strategy, MS means marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is a set of objectives. What objectives? Marketing objectives. Objectives, policies and rules that guide over time firms' marketing efforts. Firms' marketing efforts related to that, their objectives, policies and rules all together, we can say it as a marketing strategy. Shall we read it once again? As for the Philip Kotler, marketing strategy is a set of objectives, policies and rules that guide over time firms' marketing efforts. Okay. Now let's see core strategies of marketing. So where we have to focus? What is the main strategy of marketing? Core strategies. Total we can discuss about total 5 points are there. How we can do the strategies of marketing. First thing is that segmentation. Segmentation means step by step. Different. Altogether, if you plan something that won't work out, if you segment it, if you take it only particular area, then that will work out. If you plan for particular area, then that particular area, you will get succeed. So that part we can say it as segmentation. Make it segment wise, make it step by step. You have to focus on the marketing areas. That is segmentation. The segmentation is of two types. One is based on product usage, and based on customer groups. Product usage means what kind of products we are having. What is the usage of these products? What kind of people are using? How many categories are there? Say one product is there. This is available at less quantity, medium quality, high quantity, like that. Sizes it is available. So that is product based on the product usage. We'll segment this according to the product usage. If it is a large quantity, then this large quantity of product is purchasing only high class people. Low quantity, if you give it, anyone can buy it. If you see, for example, Head and Shoulders or Clinic Plus, any shampoo, sachet is available, 1 or 2 rupees, right? So anyone can buy it. The same product which is available in the bottle also. So which is for a little high class people. So like you can see, product is based on the product usage segmentation. Second one is based on the customer groups. Based on the customer groups. What kind of customers are they? A different kind of customers. They want some product. So we'll focus on that. And another group of customers are there. So based on them, we'll do the segmentation. Means according to the groups. If group A is there, for them, we'll prepare different marketing strategy. And if B, category of B group is there, for them we'll have to separate it. So this segmentation is according to the product usage and also according to the group. A group people, B group people, like this. Am I clear? And if segmentation is over, next we'll focus on the value additions. Value additions means generally customer is expecting something apart from the regular services or regular products whatever is supplied by the company. They want something else, that is called as value additions. You have to get some kind of effective tie-ups with another organization so that you are giving more services and more attractions and more information to the customers. Most of the time you'll see tie-ups with one company with another company, and tie-up with famous personalities, celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan ji or some other people and actors and even politicians. They are tying up with some products. So this kind of things also going to give some impact on the mindset of the customer. That is, we say it as a value addition. This is one kind of strategy to attract the customer. We don't want to lose customer in any angle. So this is value addition. Another one is mass customization. Mass customization means some kind of category of customers, they expect a kind of customization. We are giving some services, we are giving a product, but they want something different. Now, according to their need, their requirement, their taste, their preferences, according to that, we have to give the customization services. That is called as mass customization. Example, you can take tourism department. In tourism department, I want to go to, suppose, say, North Sikkim. If I want to go to North Sikkim, general package is available. I want this areas. Here I want to spend 2 days. Here I want to spend 3 days. Like customization means this category of people we are identifying, and according to their preferences, we are changing our services. We are changing our rules, but at any cost, we don't want to lose the customer. That is customization. The same thing is, you can see it even the computers also. I want to buy a computer, but I want to customize that computer. I don't want to buy product which is available in the market. I want CPU of so and so brand. I want monitor of so and so brand. I have some preferences that can be customized by the company. That is called as mass customization. Here you have to remember 3 points. One is computer based information system. Will prepare ready-made information, computer-based information. These are the packages. This is what we can give the services. Like you can show it to the customers directly, so they will select according to that. Means you are giving choice to the customers. You are giving idea to the customers, so that they can select it easily. Otherwise, they get confused what to do. So that is customer-based information system. Second one is just-in-time production. As the customer is saying that I want this kind of customization just in time, immediately we'll do that. We will arrange it. We will give the services. Within no time, your services will be provided. So that is just in time production. In the same way, flexible manufacturing programs. We have already prepared according to the computer information system, but that can be changed. That's called as flexible manufacturing system program. Whatever we have already prepared, that can be modified, that can be changed. That flexibility is available in our organization. So these are the 3 points you have to remember when you have to go for the mass customization. Okay, so this is another one kind of strategy to attract the customers. Customer customization. Okay, and the next one, product market fit. When the product is going to fit in the market, how the product is going to fit in the market, this is also another strategy. So when you want to fit this product in the market, you have to remember one thing: whether your product is new or if it is existing product. If it is new product, what is the right time to launch the product, how to make the product to fit in the market, so that customers will have an awareness, customer will identify, customer will get some knowledge about the product. So that you have to be very careful about the new product. If the product is already existing, then you wanted to increase the existence of the product more. How you can make it? How you can make it where this existing product can dominate the other products, and where this product may not be dominating by the other products, what are the precautions you wanted to take? So that everything strategy you have to think about the product market fix. You have to fix the product properly in the market, so that customer can buy the product without any hesitation. That is this one. And last one, customer services. You have to give good product services to the customers, whether product services or normal services, whatever it may be. Services should be always without any gap and continuous services, and it must be always prompt. That kind of services you have to give. This is also one kind of strategy to attract the customers. Now here, whenever you are going for the customers services, remember that whether our products are tangible or intangible. Tangible products is visible. Intangible means they want some services. That services also you have to give it promptly. So these are the main core strategies of marketing. 5 areas: segmentation, different areas you have to identify, and value additions, mass customization, product market fit, and customer services. Simple core strategies. Now how we can proceed it? This product strategy, okay, marketing strategy, how we can go it? For that, procedure or task involved in marketing strategies. How do we proceed it? How do we accomplish this task? 3 points you have to remember. One is Selection of the target market. Which area you wanted to go? Strategy is prepared. We have identified these are the areas, these are the strategies of that. But which target? What is the target? So you have to focus on the first target of the market. First, my target is so and so customers, or my target is particular area. Like, you have to identify the target. So when you identify the target, you have to remember few points. One is whether you are going for growth oriented or profit oriented. Profit oriented means just you are seeing, you are focusing on the profit. Whereas growth oriented, rather than profit, you want growth of that product. If growth is there, may not be today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, somewhere you are going to get the very huge profits. Huge profits. But growth you are expecting. That growth will give you a future, a strong strategy. So this also you have to remember when you are going for the target market. Profit oriented or growth oriented. And if this process is over, next you are focusing on the product positioning. Each and every product positioning you have to be very careful. Not just that we are having lots of products and all products are having the same positioning. No. Each and every product. Suppose say we are having products of say 4 products. A, B, C, D. 4 products we are having. Which product we have to focus, and for every product different strategy you have to prepare. Suppose say this, let's focus on the product B. Product positioning, we are focusing on product B. So how is this product? First of all, we'll focus on the quality of the product. Then after that, how to launch this product. If it is new, how to launch, when to launch, where to launch, and how to make awareness of that product. Everything comes under this product positioning. Means focusing on A, B. If you want to focus on A is already existing product, but still you are saying that product positioning means you wanted to make that existence of the product more strong. So that is product positioning. Whether it's a new or existing, whatever it may be, you have to see that product positioning is proper or not. The next process, it comes to organization of the marketing mix. Marketing mix, did you remember? 4 P's. Extended P's, ignore it. 4 P's, you just remember it. What are the 4 P's? Product, price, place and promotion. Product, price, place, promotion. These 4 P's you have to focus in the last stage, organization of the marketing mix. How do we focus on that 4 P's? First thing is that mix has to be specifically designed for every brand. These 4 P's you have to specifically design for every brand. For every brand you have to focus 4 P's. Product, price, place and promotion. This is, suppose I am focusing on D product. 4 P's. So this is different from A. A's also we are planning 4 P's. But A's will be different and B's will be different. Okay, that is what this is saying. Mix has to be specifically designed for every brand. This brand 4 P's I'll plan differently. For A product I'll plan differently. So this has to be specifically designed for every product. And designing dynamic marketing strategy. And whatever you are designing this 4 P's, it must be designed dynamically, and marketing mix. This marketing mix should be dynamically prepared. What are the 4 P's? As I said, product, price, place and promotion. Okay. So this designing dynamic marketing mix, this design should be dynamically mixed. Suppose say for one product where we have to focus only on the product, price, place, promotion we can manage it, but our focus should be only on the product. So here we'll focus on the product. Say for example product A. For another product, B product, product is okay, price is okay, these 3 are okay, but we have to focus on the promotion more. promotion more. This could be a strategy for product B. So that is what we are saying, designing dynamic marketing mix. Dynamic means here these three are okay, let me focus on this. For B, for A, these three are okay, product I want to focus, like dynamic mix, where you wanted to focus more, where you wanted to give more stress and more strategy is required. So there you are going to prepare this dynamic mix of the product piece. Am I clear? Simple three steps. One is selection of the target market. Second one, product positioning and organizing the marketing mix. Marketing mix we already discussed. Target market, product position. Just simply remember. Am I clear? Take the screenshot first. In the coming classes, we'll discuss more marketing related subjects. It's very simple. Concept, if you understand, marketing is a dead easy subject and only few points you have to understand. And the vocabulary also, it is roaming around the marketing and marketing mix and designing, product strategy, something like that. It's very easy. So make it sure and also follow the other subjects which already uploaded in our channel. Stay connected. Good luck.